Hello everybody, it's just a boy and my sister Abram here.
What's up, boys?
This is my first video and I'm trying to do the best I can. I'm going to try to do some stunts and stuff, so let's get this party started.
Let's get this party started!
Let's jump. Right now, earlier I was just playing and I accidentally did a front flip right here.
Like that.
Oh! I did it! Nice!
Please!
For our first video, don't you think, Abram?
Yes.
This is a great start. Okay, let's see here. Where else? Jump! Maybe what we can do.
Can't be seen 9 nudes.
This is the day. Noob.
I'm a noob.
Yeah, this is going to be my first video I've ever made. What the?
You just got bad karma.
I know, but did you see how far he flew?
Yeah. You don't care about the bad karma?
No, did you see how far he flew? It's freaking insane.
Can't be seen 9 news. Whenever people are noobs, they turn into pros.
If they watch this channel.
If they watch this channel, which they're not going to because they're already noobs. And noobs don't watch pros. They just watch other
I'm not a
noobs
pro, Abram.
sometimes.
I can do pro stuff. I mean, I don't know. I'm trying to find a good area to do stuff. Okay, so.
And you just entered him by hitting him in the face.
Going. Don't fall. Hold on.
You are. What's up, boys? What?
Hey, no.
Hey, what does that mean? Don't do this. Do it or don't. Say your guy. Say your crap mouth. Oh, say your crap mouth. Hey.
There we go.
I bet you can't beat my cousin because he's Spanish. You're gonna have to beat him in a Spanish race.
What's that?
It's whenever you have to say all the Spanish words in 1 minute after whoever says the Spanish words,
I can't see that.
then you're not pro.
No, that sounds Spanish crap. I'm English, dude.
Okay. No, you're Irish because you speak Irish.
Yeah, I am Irish. Partly Irish. Maybe. Sometimes I have an accent, not all the time though. What?
Nothing.
Are you speaking Irish again?
Yes. It's really English. Hola, dos, pues, no, cinco. And I'm Spanish.
¿Tú hablas español?
I'm Spanish.
You no habla English.
Hey, and someone at school is actually in Mexico. But no, seriously, they're from Mexico.
Yeah, I've had friends that were from Mexico.
And then they moved to Hollywood. And then they moved to Kansas City.
How do you know them?
They told me.
How do you do that? Oh! Oh, I just felt that.
Because the game is being a butthole.
They're not being a pro, they're just too good at it.
Yeah, because everybody knows that Tristan is the boss of everything in Watch Dogs. Because he's completed it once.
Yeah, I think that we'll get one.
Just,
It's
just
hard.
Matthew beat the game twice.
Over them. Oh, 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 oh,
Oh, ow. No, you made it!
Boom.
Yes.
I had a punch on the foot.
And then you put your balls against her face.
No, ew, whoa, don't even go there. This is a YouTube channel, Abram, not a...
This is not MLG station.
Yeah. I'm gonna hit the movie more. See you later, guys.